Welcome to Ramjet Bros. Today we're going to teach you how to make banana bread. For the ingredients, we'll need 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1/3 of a cup of sour milk, 3/4 cup brown sugar, half a cup of butter, pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 eggs, and 5 medium ripe bananas. For our first step, we're going to put our brown sugar and butter and cream them together. Now that we have creamed our butter and sugar, we are going to add our eggs and our sour milk together and mix that together. Now we will take our 5 medium-sized overripe bananas and smash them and add them to the wet ingredients. Now that all our wet ingredients is done, now we're going to mix all our dry ingredients together. That's our self-rising flour, our cinnamon, and our salt. Now we add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. We mix it so that it doesn't overmix, because once you overmix, you're going to get a very stiff banana bread. Now that we've made our batter, now we can put it into a Pyrex dish or a bread tin or any container that can go into the oven which you can bake your banana bread in. In our case, we're using a glass Pyrex dish which we have put butter on it so that it doesn't stick when we take it out of the oven. Now that we've got our batter into our tin or our glass Pyrex dish, we're going to put it into the oven at 180 degrees between 55 to 65 minutes. We just test if that when you put a skewer through it, it does not come out wet. And 55 minutes later, there you have it, your banana bread. Enjoy.